ó yá ilé ìtún họ́ọ̀tù ẹ̀yìn èèyàn ṣé tòsí ilẹ̀ wa ẹ̀ tún wá gbọ́ ò àpamọ́bárì ọ̀rọ̀ ti jáde ó ti ń hápùn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí o ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ rántí Nàìjíríà go better ìgò bẹ́ẹ̀ta lẹ̀ ń sọ ìgò bẹ́ẹ̀ta ọdún kélòó lógójì ìgò bẹ́ẹ̀ta tàti gbòmìnira wa ìgò bẹ́ẹ̀ta sódọ́gọ́rùn ọdún ní ìgò bẹ́ẹ̀ta ọdún wo ló máa jẹnu tọ́ba orin ṣe wàhálà tó sọ́ngbà ẹ̀ ó lọ. ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ rántí Nàìjíríà jàgàjàgà everything scatter poor man dey suffer gbòsà ṣọtínádé tí Idris Abdulkareem kọ fún bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ń gbà ẹ̀ tí ẹ bọ́rọ̀ òwú fi padà dá lóhùn pé na yọ pápá bí jàgàjàgà tí yẹn náà lọ kò sí ìyàtọ̀ kò sí changes kò sí noticeable changes all the way from there. Now Idris Abdulkareem wá padà wá jáde báyìí pé Ṣèyí Tinubu ọmọ náà là ń rán sí náà wá lọ sọ fún dádì ẹ̀ ìpara ni àwọn èèyàn tẹ́yọ̀ pàpà Ṣèyí Tinubu tẹ́yọ̀ fàdà orin yẹn ní agbára ó hot gan ó hit gan ó bombshell ni bí federal government ṣe sọ pé àwọn báànù orin yẹn lórí rédíò lórí tẹlifíṣọ̀n at every other place náà ṣe ń play orin very dark man ẹ ṣáà bóun ṣe máa ń ṣe bí àlàyé ṣe jáde nìyẹn pé ṣé ẹ̀ ń wáìnì ni pẹ̀lú pé fídíò tán ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n jẹ́ standard òun tún máa fòtù bí ilẹ̀ àwọn máa ṣe another big video tó yẹ pé kò sínú yàrá ẹni tó ń ti máa play ẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. So ẹ notice pé kò ń ṣe pé àwa Yorùbá ní problem pẹ̀lú Tinubu o is na still our father na our papa àríbìtì sí but à ń fẹ́ kàn lo opportunity office yẹn pé ẹ̀yin lẹ́wọ̀ à ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ó ti wà lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá ẹ pín kínní kí kálukú wà lórí ọwọ́ ẹ̀ because tẹ́ bá wò dáadáa very dark man almost be kakakun not ni Idris Abdulkareem ọmọ mọ́là ni ọmọ Hausa ni gbogbo so tí ó bá ti di pé Yorùbá ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ orin yẹn máa jáde tó máa sọ pé kò dáa ó bàjẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ó kẹ́ kúkú jẹ́ ká pín because normally náà Yorùbá náà ló ń suffer jù lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní herdsmen nǹkan kidnap kan pa wọn kan ṣe òun làwa náà fi ń pariwo pé Yorùbá nation Yorùbá nation Yorùbá nation tèmi náà fi sọ pé wọ́n ń sọ pé Yorùbá nation ẹlẹ́ẹ̀lá gidi ẹni kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ even tí a bá ń jẹ Yorùbá wa o ẹ máa rántí tó bá di lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la táwọn Ìgbò bá sọ wípé Biafra ni táwùsá wa lárèwà tí tó ń ta wọn bí èṣù ọ̀pá dídà òmàlẹ́ àjà Yorùbá lérè gẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀dá ohun kan tí wọ́n bọ̀ ìsọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ fà gidi gan ó hot lọ́wọ́ báyìí ẹ bá mi subscribe ẹ bá mi comment ẹ like ẹ bá mi share video.
So I just come back from NAPTIP now, and I dey check through Twitter. Now I see say the National Broadcasting Commission have barred Nigerian radio and television station from airing the trending song "Tell Your Papa" by veteran rapper Idris Abdulkareem. I rush go Idris Abdulkareem page, and I see say NBC send a message say they don't ban the song. This song he just released a few days ago, where he say, "Sheyi, tell you what you're going to do now." That this thing. First of all, we don't even need radio. How many people they hear radio and they watch TV? That's by the way. We are going to take it over by social media. Dear Idris Abdulkareem, you are going to shoot another video. This time we will sponsor it. And I go dey inside the video. We go find person who resemble Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Since we no fit get the real president. We go find who resemble the president. He go sit down for the video. We go do the video remix. We go dance for inside our video. Tell Your Papa part 2. Then we will come highlight other problems. That is to say, these people listen to what is going on in Nigeria, but they don't want to act. Then when you talk, they want to control the media so that you don't get the voice, and this voice don't exceed what they want it to exceed. Well, what do you expect? Presidents come out, go France. He go France. French president come out from France, go Egypt. That means the French president no even send you. I just see for Rufai page, Rufai for Arise page for Twitter. I bust laugh. Imagine Nigerian president enter country, the president of the country no even feel acknowledge. He carry himself, they go Egypt. Sheyi, tell your papa. Now real truth be that. Nobody they fear anybody. The country is hard. Business are crumbling. A lot of people are suffering. People are crying. People they cry. Even though you don't want to do anything, do security for us. I see women for Oregun, abi what they call that place yesterday. See them. They chant yesterday, they cry for insecurity. Edo, even the north, they get Fulani herdsmen issues. A lot of places where they fight people. Let me not say Fulani herdsmen because there are a lot of good Fulani people and there are a lot of herdsmen that are good. Let me say they're having a lot of terrorist issues that may be disguising as Fulani herdsmen. Do you understand? Because like I said, some of these people say some innocent one day, but we don't generalize them, which is a problem. So, dear Idris Abdulkarim, listen to me, my brother. You're going to shoot that music again. And this time we'll post it on social media. I will also post it on my page because I'll be appearing on that video. Prepare yourself. If you're there, Abuja, abeg, Egbo, let me know. More come. Sheyi, tell your papa, country hard. Tell your papa, everything where Idris Abdulkarim say, me they tell him. Tell him because the country is hard. And anybody that have a problem with that song at the NBC, at whatsoever, me gonna also send the message to them. Say country hard. Puppets. Y'all better don't play. Else you're gonna learn and y'all will learn the hard way. This is the generation that will make the country better. And the sooner you all know, the better. And for those youths, where then they use as tools to counter the real voice of the Nigerians, may God let this country happen to you and your family. You would understand. They give you people small money to come and do a counter narrative. A counter narrative, all of now. Hey. Yes. For how much they give you? When I go learn, I know I will learn the hard way. Don't play.